Hello, what's up guys? My name is Kusan Frali, and in this video I am going to show you that how you can upload a group product into your WooCommerce based website. Now group products are very useful if you have a product that has different kind of variations in it. For example, you have ebook or a book that have a series of it, like ebook version 1, ebook version 2, ebook version 3, and some sort of like that. Or you have a bundle of products. So basically group products are used for the bundle of products. For example, you have a master class for graphic design, and in that master class you teach students regarding Adobe Photoshop, Adobe Illustrator, and Adobe Premiere Pro. So in that scenarios, group product is a very useful thing. So if you are excited to learn, let's get started. So the first thing that you need to do is to go to these products by simply hovering over this and clicking on this all products, and then click on this add new. Once you will click on this add new, you can add the title of the products, that in our case is graphic design masterclass. Okay, from here then you can choose a category. For now I'll choose this IV solutions. You can add the description of product here, and you can add the short description here, but we are more interested for now in this option, that is group product. Now you may notice that as soon as you choose group products, you have very limited option here, and the only important option is linked products here. In this linked products, you will have to add the products names here. So we'll do that in just a minute. So for now we'll upload a product image here as well. Already have uploaded the images. I'll choose the image, and I will add that image as a product image, and I'll hit publish for now. Once we'll add the main group image, then the next thing that you need to do is to add the individual products that you want to add into your group products. So consider group products as the holder for all of your products that are included in the bundle. So for example, the first product I have is an Adobe Photoshop course. I'll copy this. I'll keep this as simple product, and I'll add the price as $25. From here, I'll choose a category. I'll upload the product image. Choose the Photoshop, and then once that is added, I'll hit publish. And the next thing, we'll have to add a couple of more products here. So for here, I will add Adobe Illustrator course. Once again, I'll add the price of the course here, and I'll add a category, and then I'll choose the product image. Once the product image is added, the next thing we'll do is to publish this product. This is taking quite some time, so I'll hit publish. And from here, I want to add a product for Adobe Premiere Pro course. Then the pricing must be 50 USD. Choose a product category, select an image. This is published, and this one also published. And here we only have to choose a product image. Once the image will get added, we'll hit publish here. Now we have added 3 products here. The most important thing that you have to do with these products is that we have to hide these products from the catalog and the search results, and for that we'll once again have to open this product in the edit mode. So I'll quickly open these two products in the edit mode. This one is already there. Here you can see we have an option that says catalog visibility. There is an option to edit. Click on this edit and choose hidden here. Click OK and hit update. For the Adobe Photoshop, do the same thing. Keep it hidden, click OK and hit update. Here, choose hidden, click OK and hit update. These are getting updated yet. So once they will get updated, we can then move forward and add these products in the bundle of that group product we added earlier. I think my internet is very slow today and it's taking quite some time. So this is added, this one is updated, and this one is updated as well. So the next thing we have to do is to go to this bundle product and we'll have to click on this edit. Once we'll click on edit, the next thing we have to do is to assign these three products that we have added into this bundle product or the group product that we have. Okay, this is here, and from here linked products, we'll choose first Adobe is still searching. Okay, we'll have to choose Adobe Photoshop and then we'll have to choose Illustrator, and the next thing we have to do is to choose Premiere Pro. Also, if you want, you can add the upsell products. Here I'll show you that how the upsell products work, but for now we choose the products that we want under the group products and then we'll hit update. Once we'll update this product, then we can review this product here. Okay, here you can see this is our first product that we have added. This is second product and third product. You will first have to choose the quantity here. So for example, one of this, and one of this, and then click on add to cart. So this is how basically you can add, and you can see that all of these three products added all at once there. So this is how you can add a group product into your WooCommerce based website. Next thing, let's see that how you can add the upsell products here. So for example, I already have uploaded few products here. Let's choose this butterfly needle, and here in the upsell, just search the name of product here, and then I'll choose this product and one more product like this one. I'll enter the name of that product here and we'll add this here. Okay, hit update. Once the product will get updated, then you can see that where the upsell of these products will appear. So if I refresh this page again, now you can see here the upsell products are showing. So this is how you can basically upload a group product into your WooCommerce website, and also this is how you can add upsells to your product. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel, and please do not forget to click the bell icon so that you will always get notified whenever I add a new video on the YouTube channel. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you very much.